Hello everyone, this is Pico Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have another drawing video for you. And in this video you'll see the completed colours for my earlier picture of Saitama from One Punch Man, which I'll put on the screen right here for you now for you to see. And I'll also put the link to the previous video where I show how I drew the character and I gave some advice and tips before on drawing certain poses and how the character should be drawn. I did also notice that there was a slight delay in the recording of the video where I displayed the drawing of the character, so hopefully now I've fixed those issues and the drawing video that you'll be about to see will run a lot smoother. But let me know if there are any issues or any queries that you have within the setup of these videos, and whether you'd like to see the drawing and the inks and the colours all in one video together, or you don't mind them being broken up as what I'm currently doing on here in the future. So that's it for now really. Enjoy this video of me adding the colours to Saitama from One Punch Man. As I've mentioned before, there will be other drawings coming soon, including the likes of The Flash, Supergirl and Wolverine. So look out for those in the future as well. And let me know if you have any further suggestions or any other favourite characters from any kind of franchise that you would like to see me draw in the future. But that's it for now. Take care of yourselves. Stay at safe distances and enjoy my drawing of Saitama from One Punch Man.